It's constantly evolving, which is really cool. And when I speak to operators with, excuse me, within the industry, I reiterate, hey, so much activity in the M&A markets is really a positive because you're having so many different buyers out there with varying levels of sophistication, but most of whom are really, really smart people. And so if you're like me, who, hey, we kind of wandered into the collision repair industry out of chance or out of family. Now you know, like, all right, hey, there's something there when you have a bunch of brilliant, brilliant people kind of clamoring over deals to get into the space. From a buyer pool, we look at it at a few different tranches. The first one is certainly the national consolidators. Historically, that's been a big five. However, with some recent transactions, that's turning into a big four here in the very near term.